Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Here's my tropical dreams look. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. But just let me say, this look did not come out as I envisioned in my mind. I had an idea of the colors I wanted to use, but the first palette that I was going to use, the Profusion Cosmetics Neon, it wasn't as pigmented, so I had to find another palette to use the colors that I wanted. But anyway, just keep watching, you'll see. I'm going to show you all the colors that I'm going to use so I don't keep going back and forth, and forgetting to show you what colors I'm going to use from what palettes. Then I'm going to take a clean brush and blend those three shades together so there's no harsh lines. I'm just going to go back into each of those shades to build the color up, make sure everything is nice and intense, and then I'm going to go back and re-blend them together. Favorite style lashes these days, and I'm just going to shake it up. It says to shake it up between 15 to 20 times, so that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to apply 2 to 3 coats and let it dry. Make sure my lashes aren't on the way and that this lash is secure. That's why I like to press it down with the tweezers, and then I'm also getting some of that magnetic liner off my natural lashes so don't be sticking to the magnetic lash, because it feels funny when I blink. And I'm just making sure that it's straight and that is the magnet is all the way secure to the liner and it's not lifting when I lift my brows up with my finger or the tweezer. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of black in the inner corner so there's not a big gap there. Then I'm going to add this electric liner in my waterline, and I felt like this look was missing something, so rather than me using one of the colors I already used, I decided to add purple to make it pop, and I felt like it tied this look together. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye!